Hi, Shifu Alice here, Blue Dragon School of Martial Arts and Results Acupuncture and Healing Arts Center located in Bergenfield, New Jersey. You can reach us at 201-385-3130. I'm here to share a Crohn's patient. Crohn's patient who was, Crohn's is supposed to be incurable, so I'm not making any claims here. I'm just going to go by what the MD said over time. But patient came in. Main complaints were heartburn, acid reflux, abdominal pain, fatigue, mental fogginess, tired to bones, tension headaches. See, what we do here is we have a full pharmacy, Chinese medicine pharmacy. We can mix herbs specific to the person, and that's what we did here. We basically treat by the pulse. And after the first acupuncture treatment, this patient claimed to feel 80% better. Now, we make comprehensive plans that include acupuncture, herbs, and nutrition, and all three are essential. You know, the patient has the little homework. We have to be a team to get things better. And what we did was we made a plan with 3 times a week acupuncture for 4 weeks, 2 times a week for 10 weeks, and then once a week for 4 weeks. So it was approximately a 4-month plan. So she was put on herbs right away. After about a month, patient again was claiming to be 80% better. Her heartburn and reflux were 60% better. Abdominal pain was gone. She said 100% better. Fatigue is 80% better. Patient feels 80% better even with her stress. So she had a high stress job and she was feeling like she was dealing with that stress a lot better. And the pulse I was beginning to feel was more normal, what we would consider normal. Then after a couple of months, a reevaluation showed, again, overall 80% better than when she started, heartburn 70% better, abdominal pain 100% better, fatigue 80% better, tension headaches gone, okay, completely gone, and 80% better with stress. So she did really well. Another month goes by. She had some lower abdominal discomfort. See, she really had to eat right. She recognized if she ate at a diner or not the best food, not the healthiest food, or if she didn't follow my direction, she would have some trouble. She would get some abdominal pain returning. So the food was obviously an issue. So she said she did her best to eat right on vacation. And, you know, another thing what we do with herbs is we don't just hand them herbs for a disease, so to speak, and leave them on it. Regular checkups, regular pulse checks, again, we can make adjustments. We can change one herb or we can change the whole formula, depending on how the patient is responding. So more and more she was getting better and better. And even with a high stress job, which is an aggravating factor. You always have to consider what your lifestyle is, whether it's eating, sleeping, stressful job. What are these aggravating factors? I like to tell patients with pain, you know, if you're going to keep doing what causes the pain, of course you're going to be treated forever because I'm going to relieve it and then you're going to make it hurt again. So there has to be a time to allow healing. So this treatment plan continued once a week as maintenance, and then once every 2 weeks, and then once every 3 weeks, with mostly similar and minor complaints. And that went on with, as I said, maintenance for a couple of years. She continued with her doctor's advice to get biannual colonoscopies. You know, the doctors were thinking that at any time they would find some sort of cancerous lesions. On 2 years after she first came in, patient came in with a big smile on her face. She told me that her doctors, after a colonoscopy, said that her intestines are clear. No more signs of Crohn's. So again, I make no claims, but the doctor said no more sign of Crohn's. So the most interesting thing was the doctors also said diet must make a difference. Of course, Chinese medicine didn't get any credit in this regard. But again, we do comprehensive plans with acupuncture, herbs, and nutrition. The nutrition is a big part of it, especially when you have digestive issues. And basically this patient is free of Crohn's now. So again, we are located in Bergenfield, New Jersey. Results Acupuncture, we can be reached at 201-385-3130. I've got over 30 years teaching traditional Chinese martial arts and over 20 years treating with Chinese medicine. Give us a call. We'd love to help you if we can. Take care now.